Okay, so hello everyone, Credit Accidental on this side from Pacific with Unikalti. So today we are recording about the Anglo-Eastern technical questions. So as you all know that Anglo-Eastern interview has been started, so this video will be very much helpful to you and approximately 70 to 80 questions will be asked from these questions only. So today I am with Rahul Chaudhary. Good morning Rahul.
Good morning, sir.
So today we'll be taking the technical part of Rahul Chaudhary as per the Anglo-Eastern questions. Okay Rahul, so are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So let's start. Okay Rahul, tell me what is Archimedes principle?
Sir, according to Archimedes principle, whenever a body is fully or partially immersed in a body in a water, then it experiences upward force, which is known as buoyant force.
Okay, tell me on which principle an airplane fly?
Sir, on the principle of Bernoulli's theorem, an airplane flies.
Okay, explain Bernoulli's theorem.
Sir, according to Bernoulli's theorem, the sum of pressure energy per unit volume, kinetic energy per unit volume, and potential energy per unit volume is constant throughout the flow of fluid, and it is based on the conservation of energy.
Okay, very nice Rahul. Can you tell me what is Aufbau's principle?
Sir, Aufbau's principle is state that the electron field first in the lower energy cells, then to higher energy cells.
Okay, can you tell me what is Kepler's third law of planetary motion?
Yes, sir. According to the Kepler's third law of planetary motion, the square of the time period of the revolution of planet is directly proportional to the cube root of the distance between the planet and the sun.
Okay, very nice. Now let's come about the geography part. Tell me how does wind blow?
Sir, wind flow due to the due to the change in the pressure. Wind flow from high pressure to low pressure. The higher the difference, the higher the wind will flow, and this phenomena is from this phenomena the wind flow.
Okay, so suppose there is uneven heating of sun and the part which is more heated, so it will have low pressure area or high pressure area?
Sir, low pressure area.
Okay, so as said low pressure area because the air density will be less and air will rise up. Okay Rahul. So next question is why the color of sky appears blue?
Sir, the color of sky appears blue because of the scattering of light. Blue light has minimum wavelength, but violet light is also minimum wavelength, but blue light is more sensitive towards our eyes. That's why sky appears blue.
Okay, so the same question can be asked in the form of why the color of ocean appears blue, why the color of sky is red or orange during the time of sunrise or sunset. Okay Rahul, next question for you is why dam walls get thicker as we go down?
Sir, as we go down through the liquid, the pressure is increased as the formula says P is equal to P naught plus H rho g, where H is the height below the water surface.
Okay, very nice. So as he rightly said, if you know the definition, you have to speak it. But if you know the formula as well, please mention it as well. It gives a very good impression to the interviewer. Okay, Rahul, tell me what is Boyle's law?
Sir, according to Boyle's law, at constant temperature, the pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. And
Any two applications of Boyle's law?
sir, syringe and sir, gas cylinders.
Okay, very nice. Now tell me what is Pascal's law?
Sir, according to Pascal's law, which is applicable for incompressible and non-viscous fluid, when we applied pressure at any corner of the container, then it equally transmit in all the direction of the container.
Okay, how many Kepler's laws are there of planetary motion?
Sir, there are three laws of planetary motion.
Okay. Now tell me what is Newton's third law of motion?
Sir, according to Newton's third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction.
Okay, and can you give me any real life example?
Sir, running and the proportion of a rocket.
Okay, so a propeller moves on which law?
Sir, propellers, sir, on the third law of Newton.
Okay, very nice. Can you tell me all the equations of motion?
Yes, sir, the first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. The second equation of motion, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, where S is the distance, U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity, and A is the acceleration. The third law of equation, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS.
Okay, very nice. Okay, now tell me what are latitudes and total longitudes?
Sir, latitudes are the imaginary lines which run from west to east, and longitudes are the also imaginary lines which run from north to south.
ओके, सो इस पे बहुत क्रॉस क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. ओके, हाउ मेनी लैटिट्यूड्स आर देयर?
Sir, there are total 180 latitudes.
ओके, which is the longest latitude?
Sir, it is equator which is located at 0 degree.
Okay, and how many longitudes are there?
Sir, there are 360 longitudes, and at 180 degrees the international dateline is.
Okay, how many hours is India ahead of GMT?
Sir, 5 hour plus 5 hour 30 minutes.
Very nice. Do you know which is the deepest point of Earth?
Sir, is Mariana Trench, which is 10,994 meter below the water, and it is situated in the Pacific Ocean.
Very nice, Rahul. Okay, now can you tell me which is the busiest port of the world and where it is located?
Sir, the busiest port of the world is Port of Shanghai, which is located in China.
Okay, now tell me why a leap year exists?
Sir, a leap year exists because every year consists of 365 days and 6 hours. And after 4 years, these 6 hours make a whole day of 24 hours. That is why we can see a leap year which consists of 366 days.
And in which month an additional day is added?
Sir, in the month of February.
Okay, now tell me some different types of ships.
Sir, there are 3 different type of ships. First, dry cargo ships. Second, container tanker ships. Then third, miscellaneous. In the dry cargo ship, general cargo, container and bulk. In tanker, crude oil tanker, oil tanker, LPG, LNG, and in miscellaneous, roll-on, ro-ro vessel, icebreaker vessel, offshore vessel, and tugboats.
Okay, very nice. So here we can expect many cross questions from the interviewer about the types of ships and the type of cargo which is carried in a ship. So let's ask some. So what can we carry in a bulk carrier?
Sir, in bulk carrier we can carry various goods like coal, wheat, rice, and
Okay,
many more.
and if I have to carry cars from one place to another, which type of ship will I prefer?
Sir, is ro-ro, roll-on, roll-off, pure car carriers.
Okay, very nice, Rahul. Tell me, what is a perfectly black body?
Sir, a perfectly black body is a body which absorbs all type of radiation falling on it and re-emits in all the direction at any temperature.
Okay, can you name all the 5 oceans from largest to smallest?
Yes, sir. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern
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 Ocean.
Ocean.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so next question for you is, what is the ideal gas equation?
Sir, according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT, where P is pressure, V is volume, N is the number of mole, R is the universal gas constant, and T is temperature.
Okay, what is gravity?
Sir, gravity is a force which act on an object when it's come under the force of the planet.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the speed of light in vacuum?
Sir, the speed of light is maximum in vacuum, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second square.
And what is the speed of sound in vacuum?
Sir, it's 0.
Why?
Sir, because in vacuum, because sound need a medium to travel, and in vacuum there is no medium is present.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, so last question for you is, name any 10 parts of the ship.
Sir, the 10 parts of ship include knee, hull, cargo holds, propeller, rudder, anchor, accommodation, monkey island, bridge, cargo holds, crane.
Okay, so here we can expect another cross question about the use or the location of any part of the ship. Now tell me, what is the use of anchor?
Sir, the use of anchor is to make the stability of the ship by throwing the anchor into water.
Okay, what is the use of propeller?
Sir, propeller is used to thrust to produce the upthrust force due to which ship can move upward.
Okay, which part of ship will I use to change the direction of ship?
Sir, rudder.
Rudder. Okay, Rahul, very nice. So I guess that's all for today. So this was a technical interview with Rahul about the Anglo-Eastern questions. So since you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment section, and if you want these type of videos for a specific company, do write down in the comment section. Like, share this video, and do follow Pacific Marine Academy for more updates. Thank you so much, Rahul.
Thank you, sir.